I'm Jenny.
And I'm Sola.
There is a big holiday in Korea. Do you know what day it is?
It's New Year's Day! Woo!
New Year's Day is one of the national holidays, and it also means a day beginning of the first month of the year.
By the way, Jenny, what are we going to today?
We are going to cook 떡국
Oh, 떡국!
and bow wearing hanbok.
Wow, I'm looking forward to it!
Then shall we cook 떡국 first?
Let's go! Welcome to 떡국 cooking class!
Wow! So let me tell you the ingredients first.
Yeah,
Ingredients are 사골육수,
사골육수
떡,
and
it means
떡.
rice cake,
Yeah, that's right.
and
And
green onion,
green onion,
salt,
salt,
pepper,
pepper,
egg,
and eggs, and then kimchi, and
seaweed.
yeah, that's right. So let's get started. Okay, turn the fire.
And put 사골육수 and boil it.
Okay, and put a cup of water.
Just a little bit of
Like this. Okay, and next.
boil them together. There is a story that you will get a year older if you eat 떡국.
Yeah.
Do you know that?
Oh, that's right. So whenever I eat 떡국, I feel good but also sad.
That's right.
Mhm.
떡국 is a very ironic food.
Yeah, 1 year for each bowl. I had 3 bowls last year. So, oh wow, oh my gosh.
Total 3.
Yeah, total 3 years.
It's okay.
Oh.
This is just a story.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. Oh, that's right.
Do you have any tip when you eat 떡국?
My tip is to eat with kimchi.
Kimchi?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes. If you eat kimchi and 떡국 together, it's so delicious.
Wow. For me, I'm eating 떡국 with seaweed.
Uh-huh.
When you sprinkle it on top of 떡국,
Yeah.
the nutty taste delicious, so it becomes more delicious.
Oh yeah. It's your bowl. Then put the rice cake with its salt and boil it. Okay.
You should remove water from this
Okay.
rice cake.
Like this.
Just put only rice.
And then fry. Okay.
Looks so delicious.
It's so hot. Two.
Oh, it looks delicious already.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can't wait to eat.
I'm so hungry.
Oh, me too.
I think I can have 2 bowls.
2 bars, then you're gonna be 2 years older.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Because it's delicious.
Yeah.
When the soup is done boiling,
Mhm.
add a little bit of salt
Yeah.
and pepper.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Okay, wait a minute.
Okay.
Salt. Like this, a little.
Wow.
Okay, and pepper too. Pepper too. I think all
Oh, okay, okay.
is okay.
I believe you.
You can. And next,
Let's add this egg.
egg in here.
First, break it like this.
So, Oh, Jenny.
Sorry,
Jenny.
my mistake.
It's okay, it's okay. And
Go away, go away.
okay. So good. It's already yummy. And 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Diving.
Yes, that's diving. And can you see this?
Oh.
So good. And then next,
Mix it well.
and next, this.
Put green onion.
Yeah.
Oh, Zora, do you like green onion?
Yeah, I love it. And onion too.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
I love onion and garlic and green onion too.
Oh
I love this.
For me, I don't like green onion.
Oh,
frankly.
what?
I don't know, but the taste is
Ah.
not good for me. When I bite it, it's somehow bad.
It's okay. But until now, you love this.
Ah, yes.
We should wait 20 seconds.
20 seconds. Okay, let's count together. 20,
20,
19,
18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. No. Okay. I think just
Okay.
10 minutes.
Okay.
10 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay. And okay. Oh wow.
Wow,
And
looks so delicious.
you should taste this.
Oh.
Okay.
Can I?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
I eat just soup. Okay. Taste. It's so hot.
Yes, I think it looks so hot.
Yeah.
Mmm. So yummy.
Okay. Me too.
Really? I'm serious.
Okay.
It's not joking. Delicious.
No. It's yummy.
Yes, it's yummy. Oh.
Wow.
It looks so pretty.
Yeah. Right.
Let's show it to Carrie friends.
Yeah.
It looks so pretty and delicious, right, Carrie? Oh, in Korea,
Mhm.
before we eat something, we should say
잘 먹겠습니다. 오케이. 잘 먹겠습니다. I eat rice cake. Rice cake. How about?
Yummy.
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 So yummy.
The rice cake is so chewy
Yeah,
and the
chewy.
soup is delicious.
Next, we should
Put seaweed.
put
Seaweed
seaweed
flakes.
here. Okay, can you see? Oh,
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I think it's enough.
yeah. Okay, and shake.
Shake it well.
I love seaweed. And again, we should say 잘 먹겠습니다. Okay, let me taste.
Oh, or me also.
Yeah.
Rice cake with seaweed.
It's so yummy. Okay, now I eat tteokguk with kimchi. With kimchi?
Kimchi.
Yeah. I think this is my cake.
Yummy.
It's so good. This is really Korean style.
Oh,
I love this style.
I hope one day you should try it.
Everyone, how about today's cooking class? Did you all have fun?
Wow!
Yeah.
Then shall we move on to the next section?
Let's go!